Hello guys, Coder Boy Jaival here. So guys, today in this video, BlueStacks is launching a cloud gaming service for free. So now we have heard that Windows 11 is Windows 11 right now it has successfully launched by Microsoft, and Microsoft has also told that you will get an Android app feature in Windows 11. So to give a competition for this, BlueStacks has launched its own cloud gaming service, which is in now beta state. So it will take a time to launch. So now let's take an overview of it, and I will also tell you that when this game, big games like BGMI, Call of Duty, and other games will be successfully added, and I will make a video that how, when, on which date, and on which time it is going to launch. So now let's take an overview of it. So now let's start. Yes, but before getting started, I would like to tell you that if you have not yet subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe it. Press the bell icon and hit the like button to stay notified about my latest uploads. So now let's start the video. So guys, now let's take a quick overview of this BlueStacks X, that how it is going to come, and it is in which state, is in beta state or finally launched. So now let's take a quick overview of it. And so now let's start. So now you can see that I have opened the website of BlueStacks X, and what is BlueStacks? So BlueStacks X, what is BlueStacks X? So now BlueStacks X is now available in beta state. It's not finally launched, and you will find some not much big games, but you will find small games to play on cloud. So now let's see that what is this cloud gaming service. So now BlueStacks X is the world's first cloud-based Android gaming service that lets you play games on any of your devices without having to download them. So now you can see that BlueStacks X is the first cloud gaming services that allows you to play free free games on any device. Means you do not need any high-end PC for this. It will work in any low-spec PC. 1 GB RAM, even if it is have 500 MB of RAM, it will work. It just needs a browser and a high-end internet connection, so it will work. So now let's see that, and you not need to download the game, just it will work without downloading. So now let's watch a trailer of this, and I will provide you the link, and you can see, you can also read this whole. And you can see that what is BlueStacks X, what is. So guys, this is the trailer. Providing 200 games, and new game is added every week. So guys, this was the trailer. So now first let's see that what is cloud gaming. So guys, cloud gaming is a service that they have set up a server in that area, or a particular room, that is called server room. They have stored many of the servers, as many of the world's people will be trying this cloud gaming service. So now they have attached a server on America. This service is in America. So they have arranged all the servers in the server room, and we can operate that server from our PC. So what we will do, that we will press the keys on our keyboard, and the command will go to that server, and the all the output will be seen on our device. So this is the cloud gaming. What is this process is called cloud gaming. Means the we are just playing, and the all other things are happening in the server. So now let's see that what is the other things in BlueStack X. So now you can see that you don't need a gaming console, gaming PC, or an additional controller for BlueStack X. Games will be streamed directly from the cloud to your screens, allowing you to play anywhere with high-speed internet access. So you can see that you don't need a gaming console like PS4, PS5, anything, and you don't need a high-end gaming PC also, or and additional controller. So you can see that you don't need a joystick or anything for this. You just need a PC that for normal work you use. You need a PC or laptop, and you can also play this by phone games, but just you need a browser. Games will be streamed directly from the cloud to your screen. So I told you that from the server, these games will be streamed on our PC screens. So and you need a high speed internet access, and I suggest you to for this, if you want to play, I suggest you to put a broadband in your home or anywhere you want to play. You can play amazing games with BlueStacks X in on any of the following ways: play on your PC or Mac, play on your Android phone, iPhone, or iPad, play by downloading the BlueStack X desktop app on your PC. So you can see that it is available for all the platforms that you can play on PC or Mac. I told you that it just wants a browser and internet, and play on your, you can also play on your Android phone, iPhone, or anything. Play by downloading you can also play by downloading the BlueStack X desktop app. So now you can see that how we can get the BlueStack X. You can visit x.bluestacks.com to play games directly on a browser, or download the BlueStack X desktop app on your PC to play games. So you can see that it is telling that how we can use BlueStack X. So you can tell that if here it is told that you need to visit this website bluestackx.bluestackx.com, and I will give you this link in description. If you want to check it, then check it, and it will just directly you can play on your browser, and you can also download the desktop app for this. So now let's see that what are the benefits of BlueStack X. So earlier we have seen that Windows 11 is launching an Android app service, but it requires a very high-end PC, and almost minimum 8 GB RAM, and the recommended is 16 GB RAM. So you can see that most of the people in India are having low spec PC, so they cannot play with this. So now play in Windows 11. So BlueStack for competition they have launched the BlueStack X. So BlueStack X allows you to play game in your browser without being limited by the capability of your device. So now you can see that BlueStack X allow you to play a game in our browser, and with low spec PC. These games will be streamed directly from the cloud to any of your devices. So you can see that earlier we have seen this. It will be just running on a server, and it will just stream on our PC or Mac screen, or in our Android phone, iPhone, or anything we use. So now let's read further. Allowing you to immediately jump into the action without the need of downloading them. So and here it's a feature of this. We don't need to install any game or anything. It will just run in our browser. How can I start playing with BlueStack X? To start your gaming journey with BlueStack X, you can refer to the articles below. So guys, if you want to refer it, I will provide the link in description. So you can see that here is a note. A stable internet connection with a speed of 5 Mbps or more is required for smooth gameplay experience on cloud. So if you want a lag-free gaming and all the gaming without any problem, so you need at least 5 Mbps per second speed internet. So this was the features of BlueStack X, that what is cloud gaming and everything. So thank you for choosing BlueStack X. We hope you enjoy using it. Happy gaming. So this was the BlueStack X. So now let's visit this website BlueStack X and see that what it is. And I will also provide this BlueStack X in link in description. First you have to sign in. It's now in my directly it's open. First you have to sign in and create an account. So guys, I repeat that now it is available in beta state and not much big games are available here. As it will launch finally, I will provide a video for it, that how the big games will launch and everything. So now you can see that many small games are available here. You can see that if you want, if your favorite game is there, so you can play it. I will provide the link in description. So if we search here Granny, so you can see that it is telling to download first and then it will work. So guys, now I would like to give you a information here. So guys, if you are visiting BlueStacks.com, so if on any game, your favorite game, it is telling you to download. So it means that it is not available in cloud service now, as it is available in now beta state. It is used for testing it. So if it is not available, then don't worry. After some time, it will get finally launched. So on in the final version, the all games which are available, that will be available to play on cloud gaming service. So don't worry if the game is not available. So please don't get panic. After some time, it will get launched in the cloud gaming service. If you now click on the download button, it will just redirect you to BlueStack X5. That is the main application of BlueStack, and you need to install that software in your PC, which requires a amount of RAM. So this was the same feature of that. So please don't worry. Telling that it is in beta state. So first we have to download and then it will work. So this was the feature of BlueStack X, and that's all. So now let's try a game, that how it will work. So for example, let's try this game. So guys, now let's start a game. So you can see that it is telling to sign in. So let me sign in and then I will continue the video. So guys, now you can see that I have just signed in on my this BlueStack X website, and now it is starting. So you can see that it doesn't require any install. So you can see that now game is starting. So like this you can play on your PC. So you can see that automatically the controls have been set. So let us see that how to play. So by this you can play. So guys, I have not played this game earlier. So it is telling to start it. So let's start first. So by this you can play this game, and if your favorite game is there, so you can try it. And more big games like BGMI, Call of Duty and Free Fire will be added successfully after the BlueStack X is launched in a final version. So guys, now I would like to show you my website, and this is my website, and here you can find latest apps, games and web apps made by me for free, and you can download and use it in your daily life. So you can see that this is the calculator software made in Python programming language. This is the music player software, and this is the dictionary app, screenshot taker, alarm clock app, photo editor, etc, etc. Many apps are available here, and these are the web apps. You can see that here it is. This app is the same like we have seen earlier in cloud gaming. This will work on in your browser, and you can use this in your phone also. Some apps will not support, but some will support the browser in phone, and all apps will support in PC if you use it. You can see that games are also available. Online shooting game from App Khazana. This is the web app, virtual keyboard, web calculator, bookmark, paint app, etc. And here are the games. You can see that these are for PC only, PC and laptop users, and for Windows only. Flappy Bird you can see with images. And this is the fruit search game. This is like a Fruit Ninja. You play in Android. Now you can play this in PC by downloading it. And this is the snake game. Yeah, like you Android, you play Snake IO, like this it is. And this is the Ludo game, and this is the chess game, and it is also available. You can play it with computer and human versus human. You can play it. and this is the Angry Bird game, you can play it. So these are the apps, and these are the Android apps recently launched, and it is recently created this page, and I have also given the description of it. This is the first app, Paint app, and this is the video chat, and it is also Signal clone. So you can use it for your daily use, and it is just like WhatsApp. You've seen like this WhatsApp, it is just like. So that's all in this video, guys. Meet you in the next video. Goodbye.